Shelby the other night.
Shelby?
Yeah.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't go?
No.
Oh, you was her and Andy?
I felt really bad because I thought it was just the idea. Like, you wrote it on a piece of paper.
Yeah.
You brainstormed the idea and that's it. But they had like a half page.
Well, I can't.